What's up, guys? It's Thomas without the H again. Today I have curtains because we're in a boy band. Woo! 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 Woo!
And we're gonna make a song of our first official song as our boy band.
Woo!
Put the camera right there, Thomas.
Okay.
Without the
Guys,
H.
let's do this.
Legendary
Let's do this.
YouTuber.
Let's do this, guys. Are you ready?
Look at the top of
Woo!
his head.
I'm really hyped. I can't speak Korean
I
though.
can't wait because now that we have curtains, we're gonna make some bangers.
Yes, kid!
Ready?
Dude, I don't know if you guys know, but having curtains makes you instantly really, like, super good at music.
And hot.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah.
Ready?
Reggie.
Right?
Reggie.
Reggie.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
Monkey dance.